Wanna know how to unlock champions or heroes in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, you should be under the main menu, and on the left side you should be seeing various options right here that you can choose from. So right below play you should be seeing something known as champions. So just simply select it. So once you have selected champions, here you should be seeing various champions that you can unlock. So the locked ones would be highlighted under gray, so you can see right here. So you can just simply select any one of the ones that you want to unlock. And now right here on the bottom right side you should be seeing something known as unlock. You can see two options. You can either unlock from 100 crystals or 15,000 gems. So for that you need to grind as well, and once that is done you can just simply select unlock, and now you can just simply select gold, that is common and more better than crystals as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.